part 4, maybe 5, I don't know. I'm just recording because why not? Somebody might need this to do. Just like doing it. Part 4, part 5, whatever. You're setting 5. I must have if I can hold it, dip it in the pool. And then, whatever. What do you think about mofset? Right now. I already put it in a big flight, flight controller. It's set with the same firmware, 1.51 if I recall. I gotta fix this camera too. The rubber piece. The rubber ground on the side is not attached. I was wondering why the camera's crooked when I had it mounted. But we'll do that afterwards, I guess. Gotta concentrate on this. But yeah, we have to go 2 screws, just one in the canopy, 1, 2, 3. Obviously I want to remember the orientation of everything. Even those electric screwdrivers. Either one, that'd be nice. But this screw has no head on it, a bigger head I should say. And this should come right off. It does. I could turn it on here from now. I will unplug this. Put that there. But yeah, you can tell it took a dip. See a little corrosion on there already. I guess I don't have to take the motors out, that's good. I do want to remember, this has to face down like that, that's all. So we get this thing out, I think this just pops out. Isn't that convenient? Now if I could replace that mofset, that'd be cool. I got another flight controller, I don't know, B-Brain D4, I believe, F45 HD mofset. But yeah, you can definitely tell it's corroded from the rain. And then, you can definitely see the comparison, the mofset in between those 2 plugs. I don't even have my glasses on, but you can clearly see it. It'd be cool to take those plugs out and replace that mofset. Looks like a difficult job, but who knows. Put that aside for now. I know a lot of people like to change this plug. I just haven't reset point yet. I don't think. Popped it in the same way. Everything looks good to me. I inspected it. Everything looked good. The new one looks. Now maybe this one I should do a little conformal coating with. Since I fly around the house, and I may or may not have a pool. Not a big pool, but something so you can refresh yourself, rinse off the sweat, whatever. But anyway, I see my other problem here with this frame. Now that I got it open, little plastic piece is broken right there. It's like there's supposed to be one. No post. No post. See, like I fly my drones for a week, and such shit happens. What there now? That looks good. Plug these back in. I don't know why. I wish I had an idea right now to fix that, but I don't right now. Just gonna have to order another little frame. It is a printer. But anyway, the next other thing. Let's see this. I can't be going to have it. I don't even know if I have it. No, that's flat. Looks like I do. Might as well fix it right now because I can do the recording outside. The tar in the street next door. Never change the prop set. This is great. Little drone. You don't fly around last a lot longer. Actually, if we can change this drone out. Now, that being said, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder if I can just use this. Can't be. Wait, no parts. When we go on V3.1. It looks like. I just have to can't switch it down. Not yet, dude. Just do this. It's a bit hard, right? Now we gotta put the rubber on. This is on there now. It's crooked like that. Huh. They're upside down. No, I didn't have it upside down. Now they're upside down. The rubber gets on off. Mouse game's being yes. I think I got it. That's why I built this thing with a piece of tape on there. That way I thought it would keep it together down there, but it doesn't. What's wrong with that piece of tape? See if that works. See the OSD surface. And I put it in a big it should be. That is a ship battery. I'm going to test it with. Actually, I should ship battery. Lava. 300. That sounds so nice. 60 bulbs hooked up, and I have OSD. Fade flags down. Recording stabilization is off on this. Maybe that's why it's not working. Can't smoke HD. Everything else I'm doing seems the same. Cool, I'm gonna fly. Been a long time now. Well, that's the end of the repair. Meteor 75. I mean, yeah, Meteor 75 1S. Flight controller. HD. Something. Go fly.